kulungile, Baba, kulungile, kulungile, Baba, kulungile, Thank you so much, Salvador. Yeah, brotherhood it is. As I said, we are all brothers. Because we started as friends, and then the brotherhood grows, and then 10 years later, Arasangana as friends, we are family. So, also my example, Linda herself, I grew up in this household. These people are the most welcoming, heartwarming people that I have in my life. I know I'm not trying to buy face or anything, but it's a larafita as Bakhotsi Baramantai. They didn't even regard us as Bakhotsi Baramantai. We were all brothers. So now you can imagine, already Ramantai has like 2 other young brothers, Gamolimpo, and then now there's Lebs. As I know Gamolimpo, Lebs Aki, how Lebs, Chokazan, how Bafu, how everyone in jail. And only to find out also, Ore Lilindo, Liane, as part of our friends, is family. Wabo. So now, this thing was meant, or not just friendship, but brotherhood. Because in each and everything, like I am standing here, right now, because and all of that. So we are the people in the forefront, because are in the forefront fair. I get in which is the elders. So now the elders have guided us over. 1, 2, 3. Let's get because of the quiet. So since 2009, we were in grade 8. Sabelo touched another subject, music. The reason why I into music, I was one of the people by Lembam inspire or ISM music. And Lebo was so good. Lebo was very good. Whatever, I had this popularity for high school. So now as I come, he's always here. And now we are dabbing. There's this hip hop culture thing of dabbing, which is a handshake in a way. So we all have that as brothers. We all have that. That was inspired by our music journey. So, and with each and everyone Obileng involved in Lebo's music journey there, he even went as far as making music videos. I had one music video in my life since Kieta Music, but Lebo elevated it because of he took it from me and went and carried on with it. So now, his spirit of resilience, because now this person was a person onasatawi who learn anything. One thing anasayati kipon, mina fana, siya in the studio. Fresh, my king, siya in the studio. Asabi siya studio. And then he was recite to me there. I'm like, hey, Nibs, you are even better than me now. So those are the things, and those are the moments that I will forever remember about him. Because now this person had a big heart. He had a big heart, and you know, when you are a person of music, You are not scared to even face the people. He was not shy. One person wasn't shy. One person wasn't shy. You will feel his presence. Whether or whatever. Show my king. Yeah, I said for you. Yeah, Ramadan. Something. And then he goes out. And then fresh. Yeah, man. Something one time or another. Lips. Yes, man. He's in his spine. Man, fresh. My man. So this person had passion in him on top. So now, as I move forward, I give at Lolon also. I want to open also the podium to a brother of ours, Sizwe Sibeko. This person also, he was one person obiling through the upbringing lives. So now he wants to say a couple of words, not a few, because we've lived. So Sizwe ha aliting kinkautla kasfe. Spelela, aya spelela, show two lips, spelela, aya spelela. Show two lips, spelela, aya spelela,
How Salman, how guys? I'm going to music video. I'm going to share how guys are still learning to live and be close. Nyazi is on 14 Katel, Dali Viva, Maranya, and Vera, my friend. Or it's busy to do that.
Dumelang sanibonani. I'm just gonna be brief bafethu. Ntwana yethu Lebza igama lami Sizwe Sibeko. Ntwana yami lena. As far as I can remember, I remember Ulebo, his face started popping up. Yazi after 2010, yazi after World Cup. Bese ngihlakanipha vela ngithi. Yeah, man, ntwana yami, siphila sonke. Yeah, siphile sonke vele. Bengiproducer music, produced videos, music videos. Producer yithi vele amajita vele ntwana yathi besiphusha sezitshela ntwana yami awunobuso be-TV wena mawungathola nje igigi eyi-1 uwe nje uzosifaka vele eqhulwini bengamanje uyasifaka ema-NCA manje yabona ntwana yami so yeah iphupho lakhe wonke umuntu bekazi ufuna ukuduma untwana ya usazi vele bekaziyo it was in him bengadingi nokuthi ayilande le nto beyikuye vele yabo yeah intwana yami yeah so thina and a fun fact about Ulebo ne Ulebo bengalithandi ibhola bengalithandi inhlobo but funny enough or not ironically enough on his last day ebesema-groundini abukela ibhola so I guess maybe in a sense we all are prophets, maybe in some way, somehow. Isn't just as born, I don't know, and everything is spiritual, I feel. I take part in it, don't ever sound my AI, it's not the day, but all I wanna just say, which farewell, Danami, accept Kogunis against and Jamelis ukuthi la ma-satanist la aphuzikazi vele ngey'ntwana zethu gaze limsulwa elingenacala baliphuza nje what they light but hayi sizoxola one day mayengaboshwa nje lentsha siyabonga bafethu.